day.
What's up mga Solid Pops, your boy Neil again of Solid Moto, and alam niyo na kung ano ang ating re-review ngayon. This is the RAIDER 150 Fi, yung bagong model ng RAIDER, o yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang motor dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Pops, ating munang i-discuss yung mga bagay na very general sa motor na to. Of course, first is marami siguro tatanong sa inyo magkano ang cash price ng motor na to. So dito sa amin sa Cebu, the price varies, pero sa store na pinagkuhanan ng brother-in-law ko, it's 106,000 cash. So may discount pa siguro yan. And it's from Des Strong Motor. So Des yung isa sa mga pinaka popular, pinaka madaling kuhanan ng motor tulad nito. Pero as usual, yung rehistro is at least a month bago mo makuha. And then maraming nagtatanong rin kung ang height, kung pasok ba sa height ng mga Pilipino. And of course, maliit yung kanyang seat, at yung seat length at seat height niya is very convenient sa mga taong hindi gifted tulad ko. Yes, so if you can see, it's until my hips. So hanggang bewang ko yung kanyang seat height, and kapag sinukat, tamang-tama lang. So my height is 5'2", and I am not tiptoeing. So tamang-tama lang. And kung gusto mo pa itong mapa-lower, pwede naman, but I don't recommend. Napakaraming RAIDER, either Gen 1 hanggang Fi, sa mga kalsada natin. Of course, tatlong rason kung bakit yan yung parang nakikita natin sa araw-araw. Number one is yung presyo ng motor. So according sa brother-in-law ko, the cash price of this motorcycle is 106,000 pesos. So that is already an Fi, 150cc, and you get this one. Okay, Pangalawa is yung looks. Of course, napaka-sexy. So, sino ba namang hindi kukuha ng motor na to? And pangatlo is yung power. Now, power-wise is 150cc, FI, matipid, malakas, ano pang
So this is a 6-speed manual transmission, and front disc is hydraulic. Rear disc is also hydraulic. So going to the instrument cluster, so meron tayong RPM gauge, clock, speedometer, trip, and meron tayong fuel meter, and meron din tayong gear selector. Meron din tayong over rev indicator, neutral, and here is yung set for time and adjust. So looking at this, it's more of a modern style, pero mas actually prefer ko yung analog ng car type. Moving sa handlebar, just the same switches, basically switches. Yeah, that's it. One feature ng FI is meron na siyang compartment. So ito yung kanyang compartment. Pwede natin mag-check. Yan. So, yeah. Hindi naman ganon ka lalim. Napakaliit lang. So, napakababaw. So, yan. Wala yan sa ibang model. So, ito rin ay liquid hindi pala. Oil-cooled engine na 150cc. Gear pattern, gear selector, and mags back and mags. Itong bagong feature is yung kanyang light dito na part ito, and then LED, halogen type signal. And of course, kung kita nyo, it's a Showa rear shock, monoshock by Showa. I'm not sure sa ibang generations, but it's a good thing na Showa na yung kanyang rear suspension. And then yes, so here's likod is more on the halogen type na signal lights, and then my plate light. Okay, muffler sound check. Engine is dual overhead cams, 4 valves, and once again it's 150cc. Actually it's 147.8cc to be exact. Okay, hydraulic brakes, and that's it. Walang pinagkaiba sa ibang gen, except sa FI, of course.
And of course, that's it. That's the end of our quick review. So don't forget to click like and subscribe. And of course, huwag kalimutang isipin na ride safe palagi. Always wear your helmet. And for those people na kaka-learn lang na magmotor, always pray before you go. Alright, maraming salamat mga paps. And shout out sa aking brother-in-law na si Christian for lending me his motorcycle.